right, so I opted with not doing any vertical bars right here, and I painted this simple little Rata rack, and I put the propane tank back in. So I opted for not doing any bars right here, since I think I'm gonna have Jake Plasma cut me a nice big nameplate right here, maybe like Legacy 4x4 or like very cheap Razor, something similar to that maybe. And yeah, so I'm gonna have a laser cut or plasma cut nameplate right here that Jake's gonna cut out for me. And then I think I'm gonna put like a traction board mount right here, or a high lift or something.